Replacing the battery on a 2022 Buick Envision is straightforward if you follow the correct order. Start by parking on a flat surface, turning the engine completely off, setting the parking brake, and opening the hood. Give the vehicle a few minutes to fully power down before touching anything electrical. Locate the battery in the engine bay and identify the terminals. The positive terminal is usually marked with a plus sign and may have a red cover, while the negative terminal is marked with a minus sign. Before disconnecting, note the orientation so the new battery goes in the exact same way. Using a wrench, loosen and remove the negative cable first to prevent sparks. Move it safely aside so it doesn't touch the terminal again. Then remove the positive cable. Next, loosen the hold-down clamp at the base of the battery and carefully lift the old battery out. These batteries can be heavy, so lift with care. Place the new battery in the same position, secure the hold-down clamp tightly, then reconnect the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable. Make sure both connections are snug. Start the vehicle and check for warning lights. You may need to reset the clock or auto start stop settings. That's normal after a battery replacement.